Welcome to Homemade Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to cut tender raw jackfruit in an easy and less messy way. Raw jackfruit can get quite sticky because of the latex. So before you begin, you can rub a few drops of oil on your fingers and keep some tissue ready. First cut the tender jackfruit into two halves, then cut each half into thick circular slices. Now leave these slices open for a few minutes. This helps the latex ooze out and settle instead of making the cutting more messy. Using thick tissue or a kitchen paper, gently wipe off the latex from the cut surfaces. Next, place the circular slice flat on a chopping board. Carefully trim off the outer green skin. Do not cut too deep, just remove the skin. By this time, most of the sticky latex would have stopped troubling you and the jackfruit becomes much easier to handle. And there you have it, tender raw jackfruit cut neatly and ready to be chopped further and cooked. Once peeled, I usually remove the core if it is too thick, or else I cut some pieces into crescent shapes. They are perfect for shallow frying. Wash it and keep it ready for the steamer. I also cut some into smaller chunks. These can be used later in biryani or curries or other traditional dishes. So if there is latex or gum on your fingers, apply little oil and wipe it off with a kitchen towel. It comes clean. Wash the pieces, drain the water and keep it ready for steaming. I have used an instant pot and steam these pieces for 10 minutes. I've added little salt and there is no need to add any water into these. Once done, cool it completely and you can portion them and store them in the freezer for later use. And that's it, tender raw jackfruit cut neatly, prepped well and ready for many delicious recipes. Thank you.